Okay, I've put the skin on, and that's the end result. So yeah, I've pretty much put these on just to get an idea of the profile. There ain't much in it, but like I said, the second seat's got a taller section at the front, so the skin went on nice. Happy days. I get to keep my pristine original seat. Yeah, I mean, you don't find a seat like that that's like 1980, so now we're talking 41 years, so that's pretty awesome to have an original seat for one of these bikes. And so anyway, I'll be using this seat, which I'm pretty happy with. My Povo fix-ups. Yeah, it's just a little bit more at the front. Just took a little bit of that square shape out of it. But yeah, so that's pretty much the deal now. That's the repair for the front seat stay. It's all on, all glued up, stapled. So yep, happy days. That's the original seam for the seat cover. So it's basically just the same shape at the front, but just a bit taller. So yeah. So anyway, hoping that works well on the bike. So yeah. And if I wreck it, well, I'll just put a new seat cover on. I won't be too concerned. I don't have to worry about wrecking an antique. So anyway, so that's it for the seat project, the Povo $40 eBay seat project. So anyway, I think it'll work. A little bit taller profile. Happy days. Cheers.